Hi guys, it's me, Danique. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, it's me, Danique. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just kidding, I'm not that sweet. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a quick embroidery update video. If you watched my previous video, which is this one, this one where I went and purchased an embroidery machine and I was doing all the complaining about having to clean it and so on, but then realized like this is such a great deal, there's no reason for me to be complaining. But sometimes you just like complaining. Yeah, that awful video with the awful audio, and I got this machine. So this is like an update to that video. So now I have the machine set up in like this tiny designated area in my room. Right now my room's a mess, everything's a mess, so just disregard everything other than what I'm showing you. So stay focused, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, so the embroidery machine is right there. I'm gonna turn it on and everything, but I actually met up with the wonderful nice lady who I purchased the machine from, and she gave me the manual. So these are the things that I got from her. Yes, I drove to Hudson once more, and she gave me the manual, which is this. I glimpsed through it downstairs, and it's very helpful. Like, I feel like now I'm like on a good path to learning this craft and like perfecting it. Of course I could have gotten information online and things of that sort, but just having literature that I could easily like have access to, just like I would online, but just feels better. So I have all the literature that came with the machine, color guides for like threads and recommended like satin finish threads, the 25-year warranty, which I'm so excited about. Like, wow, that's awesome. As well as the full huge manual. Yeah, so it has literally everything. Like, everything is in here. Like, if there's anything I don't know how to do and I don't figure out how to do, it's my fault. Like, I suck. And then even this, like, so much literature. I'm so grateful for her like reaching out to me to give them to me, and just meeting me again to give them to me, because she didn't have to do that. Like, this is so nice of her. Like, this is one of my best purchases. Granted, I didn't want to clean all the stuff, but it's so worth it. Like, I'll clean them over again if I had to do this again. And then this, and then she also gave me these things. I don't know the proper name for it. I guess it's the stencils, but I actually had them in my Amazon cart because I was gonna order them for each of the loops or hoops, whatever they're called. I don't know yet. But she gave me all 4 of them, actually 5. She gave me all 5 of them, and I was literally gonna order some on Amazon, but like she gave it to me like just in time, because I'm also gonna show you what I ordered from Amazon as well, just so I would have everything. And then this is the last of what she gave me, which I'm so excited for, because it even has the stylus that goes with the machine. So yeah, I'm gonna like obviously sanitize it, but yeah, like I could literally use this now instead of using my hand. And then like all this other embroidery related stuff that I don't know the technical term for it, but it's a learning process. So those are what she gave me. I met up with her and got those. And then everything that's in this bag, you guys already saw this. That's the stuff I had when I had the machine, when I was cleaning it. And then I'm sure you guys remember this, which is just an extension to what I already have. And then these are the hoops that I already have. I feel like I'm missing one. It's probably downstairs or somewhere. I don't know. But yeah, so that's that. First thing I ordered from Amazon was this little like shirt measure or measurement, shirt measurement or shirt alignment, just to know like where I'm putting like the labels on the shirts or whatever I make. And this is great because I also needed it for like my Cricut stuff. So It's like a 2-in-1 purchase. And then it came with a tape measurement, or whatever you call this. I don't know. I know what we refer to it as, but I don't know right now. Like, it's like 11:14 at night. My brain has shut off like 10 hours ago. Yeah. So this is for infant, obviously, toddler, youth, adult like myself, you know, an adult, and then another adult one. I suppose this is for like men, maybe. I'm not sure. But yeah, and then this thingy. I swear I should have at least like 3 of these here. You know, when you get like sewing kits just like with a needle and thread to just like sew stuff up. I feel like I should have one of these or a couple, but I don't know where they are, so whatevs. At least I have it now. I'm not gonna do my measurement because then you guys are gonna judge me. Anyways, so moving on. Come with me. Oh, you can't. Okay, hopefully you guys can't see like what's going on in this room in the reflection, because like it's a mess, trust me. So I'm gonna grab the stylus for this actually. And then yeah, the stepper thingy. I think I showed you guys this in my last video. So as you know, I already had this thread. It's not embroidery thread, so I was just using it like to set up the machine and stuff. But I also ordered embroidery thread. Yeah, totes. First, let me just turn the machine on so you guys could experience this with me. So, oh man, I don't even have it plugged in. Wow. So yeah, just be a little patient with me, okay? So I'm gonna try to plug it in, and I don't know why I unplugged. Well, I don't know. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna plug it back in, but it's not gonna be like quick and easy. So you have to bear with me and just listen to me talk for no reason while I do this. So yeah, today is what? Today's what? Tuesday? I think today's Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday because tomorrow's Wednesday. So today's Tuesday, right? And like I said, tomorrow's Wednesday. At some point this week, I want to color my hair. I want to put some more highlights at the root. Put some like dimension in there. So I'm probably gonna do like a caramel. Caramel and like some other contrasting colors. But right now, don't judge it, okay? It's just gonna hold me over. Ah! I can't reach! Oh my god! Okay. Alright, got it. So now, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the machine. The power button is on the right of me. Click that button, then voila. It's like you see the light on the machine. That's so nice. Oh, hey. Yeah, so this is how I'm recording. There's no light on this right now because I need to connect it to like a USB power source, and ain't nobody got time for that. So as you can see, this is the Disney edition. So just follow the directions. Oh snap. So oh, because it was on regular stitch. Just press OK. Yeah, it's doing some stuff right now. Do you, boo-boo? Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it on for now. I'm not gonna do anything. I just want to show you guys what I purchased from Amazon. So I wonder if this goes somewhere. Oh my god, it goes at the side. Wow, can you guys see that in the mirror? Let me move my big head. Oh my god, how cool is that? I'm so happy about that. Anyways, so first thing I got from Amazon is this. It's supposed to be convenient for me to just go down in there and cut, and it's very, very sharp, it seems. So that's the first thing. Second thing, well, I feel like I showed you guys the first thing already, but whatever. Yeah, the little measurement thingy for the shirt placement. And then I also got this, which was recommended by some videos that I watched. It is heat erasable fabric marking pens, and I got 28 refills. any of these things, if you guys are interested in it, just let me know and I'll leave it in the comments. Basically, like, this is a pen. You just drop the refills in there and you can just take it out and be happy. You know, just live a happy life, basically. And once you use the heat on it, it just disappears somehow. Don't ask me how. That's what it does. So I'm just gonna put this. Honestly, this room is gonna be a tornado by the time I'm done with this video. Just gonna put this down. The room's already messy. So what if I make it a little bit more messy? So that's that. And then, so I ordered a hat attachment, like a hat universal hoop. I hope it works for this machine. I got it on Amazon. And basically it's for hats. It's literally the same concept as these. It's just for hats. It says universal, so I hope it does live up to the name in terms of that, because I would hate to not have this work how I intended on the machine. So yeah, and it already has the guide, which is awesome because I need direction in life. So that's fantastic. And then I also got this thing that is needed for everything you do. Basically, it's a tearaway embroidery stabilizer for machine embroidery. So basically, this is a thing that you use on all of your designs. That's not like the water ones. I got another one for that too. That you don't need to like melt away or whatever. Just to stabilize the machine. When I purchased the machine, the lady's like, "Oh, you're gonna need stabilizer." I'm like, "Excuse me?" So then I text her. I'm like, "Hey, what type of stabilization did you say I needed to do for this machine?" And she's like, Anyways, moving on. The next thing I got was, which was the pain in my ass, because that was what I was fighting with to remove off the hoops. It was temporary adhesive. It was like fabric adhesive. So I'm going to be very careful about using this because I would hate to get the machine dirty again. I mean, the hoops dirty again. Ew, like not cute. And then this is the wash away water soluble stabilizer. So this is what I'll use for like towels and things of that sort. We'll see how it works out. And then I got masking tape, but this isn't for like embroidery stuff. This is for my vinyls, my Cricut vinyls, for like when I use them to just tape them up so they're not just like scattered over my craft room, and just keeping everything organized. And then one of the most exciting parts is I got embroidery thread. Oh my god, how awesome. How freaking awesome. And I don't know if it, yeah, this came with, I think this is a stabilizer. See, I don't even know the proper terms yet. So this is a stabilizer for embroidering. That came in this. It's just a sample, obviously. It's very firm. It's like tiny pieces. And it came with bobbins. I know that name, bobbins. Oh, you're calling me? Oh, hold on. So yeah, they're calling you. Oh, damn. You know that song? And it's like, they're calling you B.O.B. because they're calling you Bob. Stop playing with me, nigga. You're not. Okay. I'm gonna play that song because I'm not gonna look like a crazy person. Sorry, that's not gonna happen. I'm not okay with that. Like, I'm not okay with that. So they're calling you Bob? He gonna be there, he go? How gonna be there? I'm gonna find that song so you guys can know that I'm not just like crazy, you know? It's Nicki Minaj and B.O.B. And she's like, so they're calling you B.O.B. because they're calling you Bob? Stop playing with me, nigga. You know that I'm known for the Bob. Okay. Okay, here it goes.
What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob?
Stop playing, nigga. You know that I'm known for the Bob. That's what I was trying to go with that, but it didn't work out. Anyways, moving on. Let's just close this. What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob? But in the video, she does all these. You know what I mean? Anyways, yeah. So those are the bobbins. I know that name. And then here we go. 40 spool color chart. These are all the beautiful colors that I got. Oh my god, so exciting. And it's like 2 layers. So there it is. All these beautiful colors, darling. And you'll get to watch me set them up. And then these are the remainders. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. First of all, I think I'm at, you know, like close to the end of this video because I don't want it to be too long. However, like this morning I went to Walmart and I got this awesome thing to put the threads on. The only thing is it's not in my desired color. It's like that typical ew wood color that everyone like automatically makes everything nowadays. So tomorrow one of my goals tomorrow one of my goal is to paint this. I'm either gonna paint it silver or white to match my craft room when I actually like make space for it in there. So yeah, I'm gonna get someone to put up some like floating shelf, that way I can move my printers out of the way, put them on top of each other in a sense, so that I'll have like a whole space for embroidery. Yeah, so yeah, I got this awesome thingy. And it's funny because like when I was working at the salon, we used to use these to like separate hair when we're doing like crochet or something like that. So it's just funny how this is just like so multi-purpose. And this, I will not recommend that anyone gets it on Amazon. It's on Amazon for like $25. You can literally get it at Walmart for $9. That's like a $15 savings. You could literally get 2 of these. Yeah, 2.5 of these. Well, it doesn't sell in half, but you could get like twice. You could get 2 of these for the price of what they're selling you one for on Amazon, basically. So yeah, and you know, I saw on TikTok that this guy literally like goes around and purchase things at a lower price and send it to Amazon and make the profit from whatever the item is. But I need to look into that, because since, you know, I know that and I'm putting you guys onto that, that's like really awesome. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna use this to set up like all the colors. Basically, I'm gonna use this ghetto chair that I have in here right now, and I love it so much. It's like one of the many chairs that I have in the garage, but I didn't want to move like my chair that goes here up here because I have it downstairs for something else right now. So yeah, so for instance, when I do paint this and make it my desired color, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like take these out and just like color coordinate them and just put them on this. Well, I'll show you guys really fast. This could be my thumbnail. Well, I'll probably put that. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it well. I'm doing it well. Just so you guys can get an idea of like my intention with this. This says 40, so I don't know how many thingies are on this, but I'm sure it's somewhere in the 40-ish. I'm just gonna just throw these on there really fast. When I actually paint this, you know, I'll be able to like actually go through and color coordinate it in the way that I desire. But for now, I'm just gonna do it like this. Like, who cares? I'm just like showing you guys my colors that I got. What's your name, B.O.B.? So they're calling you Bob? Stop playing with me, nigga. You don't know that.